Yes, we've been talking about temperatures still on the way up, and unless you have air conditioning, being outdoors with some water and shade may be really your best bet on a day like this.
Yeah, we have one of our WeatherEdge.com team contributors here, Ken Osborne, and Ken's up there in Glastonbury. Ken, what's happening? I see a big pool in the background there.
Hey now, Gil. Yeah, doing everything we can to keep definitely cool in this weather. Probably about 92 almost here on my weather station.
Wow, look at that setup. Hey, how about the heat index, Ken? Do you have any calculations with that? Does your weather station do that?
I've got a high dew point, but I don't know about the heat index, if I can quickly locate that. But it's definitely, you feel it as soon as you walk outside.
And what do you have for a dew point right now?
I'm showing 67.
Now, what's the setup there in the backyard? The kids trying to make the best out of it there?
They're definitely doing that. Got the sprinkler going, the pool. We could probably use a bigger pool at this point, but yeah, they're having time.
Yeah, considering Keith and I will be over there at about 12:35. But Ken, how is everyone there dealing with the heat? Okay, I guess, as you're making the best out of it?
Yeah, we do have a nice community pool we'll probably be headed out to later today, but they're doing the best they can at the moment.
All right, good options on a day like today, right?
Yeah, Ken, we certainly appreciate your time there, and thanks for checking in.
Yep, absolutely. And when is it going to break, Gil?
I think this weekend. You'll be much happier next week with some 70s for highs, Ken, so hold in there, bud.
I sure will. Thank you.
All right.
Keep watching. We don't want to give it away this soon.